Hello guys, welcome back once again to MBBSCouncil. We provide MBBS and PG admission paid counseling guidance for both all India quota and state quota for all states. MCC has released NEET PG 2022 round 1 results and later they withdrew it. Even though the choice filling begins once again with some increase in DNB seats, there won't be much difference in the new allotment which will be released within few days. In the last video we have compared NEET 2022 All India quota general categories round 1 closing rank cutoff with the last year for MD and MS courses. So in this video, we will compare the same for the DNB courses, that is round 1 general category closing rank cutoff with last year. Before that, if you are new to this channel and looking for NEET counseling, I request you to subscribe to this channel now and press the bell icon to get notified instantly. So without further delay, let's start the video. Here in this slide, I have listed some DNB courses with last year and this year's cutoff and total seats for general category. For example, let us take DNB radiodiagnosis. Last year the cutoff was around 4,911 and for this year it is 4,490. When we compare the total seats available for each year, even though there is a 20 seats increase, the closing rank became lower, meaning that the competition has become much stronger. For the courses which are highlighted in the red, the cutoff went high and the unhighlighted courses cutoff was low. Now let's move on to the next slide. All these courses listed here have less cutoff compared with last year as a result of increase in seats. For DNB General Surgery, the last year general category cutoff was around 19,352 and for this year it is 20,204. If we take DNB Orthopedics, last year the cutoff was around 18,489 and for this year it is 21,170. You can also see the cutoff variation for other courses by pausing this video. So in general, the closing rank has been increased as there was some slight increase in seats for all DNB courses, excluding some courses like radiodiagnosis, general medicine, pediatric surgery, neurosurgery and emergency medicine. If you are already using the MBBSCouncil app, you can go to the settings option. There is an option called reload data, in which you have to select the reload cutoff details option. You have to wait until it shows all details loaded message so that these latest cutoff will be available for you. For example, here on the screen, you are seeing the Apollo BGS Hospital Mysore cutoff for DNB anesthesiology after reloading the data. For round 2, we can expect the cutoff will be around 20,600 something. You can ask, how did I predict this cutoff? For last year, the cutoff rank difference for the general category was 2,000. This year, first round cutoff is 18,582. When we add these two numbers, we get around 20,600 rank. Similarly, you can also see and predict the cutoff for other courses in the MBBSCouncil app. If you haven't installed it yet, I'll leave a link in the description box below. In the next video, we will see the state-wise comparison for PG courses after their allotment. Until then, subscribe to our channel to get regular counseling updates, and also if you have any doubts, you can leave them in the comment box. I will reply to them. Thank you.